Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the tag questions of sample paper. So in your sample paper, question number 8, this question is of 3 marks. So it has a choice. Both the questions are from stack. The first question is, Julie has created a dictionary contain names and marks as key value of 6 students. Write a program to separate user-defined function to perform the following operations. Push the keys, name of the student of a dictionary into a stack where the corresponding value is greater than 75. Then pop and display the contents of the stack. So first of all, we must know what is the meaning of stack. Because stack is a implementation of list in such a format that insertion and deletion is always at the end. So what is the meaning of stack? So stack is a linear list implementation where insertion and deletion is always at the end. Okay, and this end is called top. Okay, so for suppose you have insert 10, so top is 0, then you insert 20, top will be 1, then you insert 30, top will be 2, you insert 40, top will be 3. It means insertion is always at the end, and if we want to delete any element, it is always from the end. It means 40 will be deleted. It means in this case, now the top will be 2. Clear? Then you will delete 3, 30, then top will be 1. Here in a stack, we have 3 operations. One is called peek. It will return the last element location. Okay. And there is a push function when we insert one element, and there is a pop function then we want to delete an element. So we are going to solve this question. There is a one dictionary that contain names and marks. Clear? तो हमने एक डिक्शनरी बनानी है जिसमें नेम्स हैं और साथ में मार्क्स हैं. नेम इज ए की एंड मार्क्स इज ए वैल्यू ऑफ 6 स्टूडेंट. उसके बाद we will create one push function that will insert one element in the list. Clear? And the condition is that the corresponding value is 75 or above. Okay, and again one more program that is for deletion of a one element. So here is a one program. So I have one dictionary that contain name of the student and the corresponding marks. So the dictionary name is R. So it contains 6 names and their 6 corresponding marks. Then we declare we are skipping this one. Later on we will discuss. We declare one empty list. अब हमने क्या करना है कि डिक्शनरी में से एलिमेंट को रीड करना है. For this we are using 4k in R. तो बेटा k में आएगी keys. First आएगी Om, then Jay, then Bob, then Ali, then Anu, then Tom. And inside that we are checking if RK, K में उसकी की है, तो RK means the corresponding value like 76, 75, 89, 65, 90, 82 like this. If the marks is greater than 75, then we will call a function push. So in first case marks is 76, तो push function call होगा. So we will add one element in the dictionary, in the list. तो यहाँ पे हमने सेंड किया st. ओके, st किस कौन रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? s. तो s में जैसे ही हम कुछ अपेंड करेंगे सेम विल बी एडेड इन st. तो st में हमने ऐड करना है n. n यहाँ पे क्या है? दी की. तो आपके corresponding प्रोग्राम में नेम ऐड हो जाएगा. It means in a list om will be added. Next time the marks is 45, so loop will not, this function will not called beta. Next is 89, again this function will be called. तो यहाँ पे list आएगी लास्ट साथ में, n is a the name, तो append हो जाएगा list में name, that is Bob. तो पहली एंट्री ओम, सेकंड एंट्री इज बॉब, थर्ड एंट्री ये नहीं होगा ऐड, अनु ऐड होगी, देन टॉम. सो आफ्टर एडिंग ऑल द एलिमेंट्स, ओके, नेक्स्ट इज वी अगेन रन द वन लूप while true, it means till the value is received, लूप चलता रहेगा. अगर आपके पास st empty है, st means your list, ठीक है, in that case you will print empty नहीं है, in that case you will delete one element, deleted element will be displayed here, and after that there is a space, and in case list is empty then loop will be break. So I am going to implement this program in Python. Okay, students, Tom, Anu, Bob, and Om displayed, inserted in the your particular list. और उसके बाद हम यहाँ पे इसको डिस्प्ले करते हैं पहले. तो प्रिंट st and then messages print deletion start, and then after the loop we will print the st. We will have also display one message after deletion. Now the value of st. So after deletion, the list is empty, and after insertion, these are the value. The name of the student where marks is more than 75. So these are the student names are Om, Bob, Anu, and Tom. Okay, students, any doubt here? Kshitij, clear beta?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो ये प्रोग्राम पेपर में आया है क्वेश्चन में. ठीक है, तो एक सेकंड क्वेश्चन है इसके सेम चॉइस में. देयर इज अनदर क्वेश्चन. यहाँ पे था विद डिक्शनरी. ओके, यहाँ पे है विद लिस्ट. आलम हैज ए लिस्ट containing 10 integer values. You help to create create a program with separate user-defined function to perform following operation based on the list. Transverse means assessing the element of the list. Transverse the content on the list and push the even number into stack. And another function is pop and display the contents of the stack. तो आपने हमारे पास एक नंबर इंटीजर नंबर की उन्होंने एग्जांपल दी हुई है, एक लिस्ट है, आपने इस लिस्ट में से वो कंटेंट्स जो इवन है उसको एक सेकंड लिस्ट में आपने पुश करवाना है और आफ्टर दैट you will delete the element. So I am going to display the coding here. Here is a number list, a list name number n containing 10 numeric values. We are declaring one empty list starting for loop. For k में क्या होगा, फर्स्ट वैल्यू आएगी, ठीक है, फर्स्ट वैल्यू कौन सी है, 12, then 13, like this. If that value is even, in that case we will call the function. In this function we will send the list and the value which we want to add. Now in a push function, list is received by s and value is received by n. So we appended one value in the list. So only the even values. It means 12, 34, then 56, 98, 22, 38 will be added in the list. Then we start the loop again, and while true, loop will be continue. If st is not empty, in that case we will pop one element, one value, and one by one we will delete all the values. And after that, if the loop is empty, the list is empty, in that case loop will be break. So I am copying this coding and implementing in the Python interface. So I am making some changes here. After insertion, I will display print after insertion. Your data is display the list and after deletion, so I am implementing this one. So after insertion, the elements are here we will call this message after insertion. Okay, this one here. So here is after insertion, elements are 12, 34, 56, 98, 22, and 38, all the even values. And after deletion, the list is empty. So any doubt in this? Manvi, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, beta. अब हमारे पास है कि in case of your practical exams, the questions may be from stack, okay? तो stack में program कैसे आएगा? तो we are going to implement that. तो पेपर में क्वेश्चन आ सकता है like make a program to implement stack. अगर आपने किसी implement stack को implement करना है तो it will be a menu driven program. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले हमने एक फंक्शन बनाना है. तो function will be push. So here we will call we will receive one the list. ठीक है, list I am taking here one list stk, and another we need the item, the value we want to add in the list. Then we will append that value in the list. Okay, and I have already discussed the top is always indicate this latest element, latest value. तो आपने यहाँ पे top is equal to length of your stk minus 1. Why minus 1? Because if length is 5, last element is in the 4th location. So that's why, because your location of your array or list is always start from 0. Okay, तो हमने यहाँ पे इसको -1 लेना है. We are again making another function pop. So here we will receive the list. Now remember one thing, if there is no any element in the list or stack, we can't delete the element. तो अगर आपके पास वो empty है, तो if stk is empty, then we will display one message, print stack is empty, then underflow. So underflow is a situation where we want to delete the element, but in that time your stack or list is empty. Okay, तो underflow का मैसेज आएगा else आपने क्या करना है, एलिमेंट को डिलीट कर दिया, हमने इसको रिसीव कर लिया, x इज इक्वल टू stk डॉट pop. तो pop will be delete the last element. ठीक है, but after deletion, if the length of stk become 0, it means now top is none, means there is no any value in top. Else, otherwise, the top is equal to length of STK minus 1. So this is your deletion program. And if we want to, next is, there is another function that is display. तो आपने display करना है बेटा. stack is always display from the back to, from last cell to zero cell at the zero location. तो हमेशा reverse में display होती है. तो if here we will receive one stack, if stack is empty, in that case we will print one message, stack empty. Stack is empty. Then else, if it is not empty, so we will start the loop. We will start the loop for displaying the values of. So we are taking first one variable for, take variable I in range. We are starting from the last value, that is, here we declare one value of top first. So top is equal to length of STK minus 1. So we are starting from top, then it will be up to 0, but we will have to take here -1, क्योंकि अगर आप -1 करोगे तो 0 तक आएगा, और आपने रिवर्स करना है तो -1 करना है तो रिवर्स में लेना है. Then we print the element, that is STK, then I. So it will continue, it will display all the elements. And next is, there is a peak function. Peak function will display the latest element location. ठीक है, तो p का एलिमेंट आपके पास यही रिटर्न करेगा कि आपके पास लेटेस्ट एलिमेंट क्या है, कौन सा है. तो here function is peak, so STK the list we are receiving, and if STK double equal to curly bracket, square bracket start, square bracket close, means it is empty. In that case, we print stack empty, and then else we will display the last element. So for this, we find top is equal to length of STK -1. ठीक है, और उसके बाद आपने क्या करना है, एलिमेंट को डिस्प्ले करना है. प्रिंट लास्ट एलिमेंट इज योर STK टॉप. ठीक है, STK टॉप आप डिस्प्ले कर लो यहाँ पे. तो नाउ वी विल मेक वन menu. By using that, we will display the we will insert and delete the elements. So we are declaring one empty stack, then value of top, that is none in the beginning, means none means no value. While true, means till the it is getting the values, loop will be executed. To display one menu, and in this print one for push, print two for pop, print three for peak, print four for display, and print five for exit. So these are the menu. Now we will get the input of one variable ch is equal to int input, enter your choice. The user will enter one choice from 1 to 5, and if the choice is if ch double equal to 1, it means you are going to add one element. For this we will get one item, input of item, क्योंकि आपने एक item ऐड करनी है उसमें, int input enter value which you want to add in the stack. Then we will call push function and you will send stack and item, because in push function there are two parameters. One is the list and another is item. Okay, then else if ch double equal to 2, in that case we are going to delete the element. ठीक है, तो delete अगर आपने element करने हैं तो आपने कौन सा function call करना है, आपने pop function call करना है यहाँ पे. ठीक है, तो pop function has only one variable, that is stack, one parameter, and if ch double equal to 2 3 means you are going to display. For display there is a display function is there, so you are calling display function and sending stack, and then if ch double equal to 4, so you are calling peak function, and then else if ch equal to 5. तो अगर आपके पास ch की वैल्यू 5 है, ठीक है, तो 5 में आपने क्या करना है, लूप को ब्रेक कर देना है, मींस यू वांट टू टर्मिनेट इट. तो फॉर दिस ब्रेक and else print one message, wrong input. It means user enter 5 6 7 8 any other values. So this is your loop. So I am running this program. So there is a one message, enter your choice. I press 1. So 10 is added. Enter your choice. 1, I enter 20. Press any key, choice 1, I enter 3. Now, if I want to display it 4. So wait 1 minute. There is one problem. I'm checking that. It is displaying only one element. I am checking that.